In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get OldOS on your iPhone, which is a pixel perfect recreation of iOS 4 on your iPhone with functional features like the camera app or even Safari, all without a computer or jailbreak. So I've been getting a lot of requests for this, especially where you guys can get the IPA. And so this video will cover how to get the IPA and also how you guys can sideload it as well. So firstly, all you guys really need to do is go to the official GitHub for OldOS. I'll leave a link for this down below in the comments. And from here, all you really have to do is just click on the OldOS IPA file here. If you were to just search up the GitHub for OldOS, you'd have to go under releases, which I am under right here. But what you guys have to do anyways is just click on the OldOS IPA here. And then just click on download here. And it should be downloading. There's a little download indicator there. Now, to actually install this, you guys will need an app to sideload this IPA, which you don't really need to worry about because I have many videos on how you guys can sideload IPAs with and without computer. Like for example, if you use Store, it'll require a computer, or if you guys use eSign, which doesn't require a computer. So for this video, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sideload with eSign. So I'm just going to leave the video in the top right if you guys do want to know how to get eSign. But anyways, you're just going to open up the eSign app here. And then in the eSign app, what you guys need to do is go to File and then click on the three dots over here and click on Import. And so I do have a bunch of different OldOS. These are all the same IPA. They're just different numbers since I downloaded it 3 times. I'm just going to click on the most recent one here. And then you're just going to click on Import App Library. And now it's imported successfully. So what you have to do here is now go into Apps, click on the OldOS file here, click on Signature, and then all you have to do is just click on Install here. Click on Install again. And so as you guys can see, OldOS has in fact downloaded here. Also, if by chance the eSign video does not work because the certificates are in fact getting revoked fast, I would recommend watching the SideStore video, which will be in the top right now, since in that video there is no chance of it getting revoked. Anyways, as you guys can see, you're just going to open up OldOS. And then you'll get a pop-up saying OldOS would like to access your Apple Music, video activity, and media library. So if you guys do want to use the full functionality of OldOS, you guys will need to click allow here. And you've even got the retro style home screen here with the battery on it as well when it's charging. And you have the iconic side to unlock. So if you guys can just slide over here. And as you guys can see, it genuinely works. Like you have iOS 4 on your iOS device. For example, you can go into the cameras app and then you guys can literally allow full access, click allow, and then you have your own camera here. Like your camera works exactly like it would work on your normal iOS version. And you guys can even use Safari. Like you can click on Safari here and it'll load web pages just like you would load web pages on your normal iOS. And you can just keep going, or you can scroll around. You can write stuff in your notes as well by clicking this plus sign, and you can just type whatever. You have the old iconic notes, and I'm pretty sure you guys can even change your wallpaper here. And so it may also ask for your location because you can also use maps with OldOS. So if you guys want, you guys can give your location, but you guys can go to wallpaper, click on the wallpaper, and you guys get the old style wallpapers like the gene right over here. Click on set both. And as you guys can see, you get the wallpapers as well. And everything is literally pixel perfect. Anyways, I hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see more cool apps like these. And thanks for watching.